The following is an overview demonstration of Workday Adaptive Planning's capabilities in support of nonprofit organizations. This quick demo will highlight a few modeling options around program expense planning, personnel planning, and grant planning. Workday Adaptive Planning's capabilities allow for flexibility in capturing the information you require while facilitating immediate insight into your organization's financial performance. For example, Adaptive Planning's dashboards provide dynamic visual insight into any critical planning area, including funding, spend tracking, critical workforce data and cost, event metrics, as well as key financial trends. These dashboards provide the ability for users to perform powerful visual analysis by any required element. In this example, understanding how funding is broken down by donors, as well as the allocation across various programs. Workday Adaptive Planning's powerful modeling sheets enable organizations to model out and analyze any critical planning area at any detail required. For example, planning for individual programs and all the funding streams as well as direct and indirect costs for those programs. The multidimensional behavior of adaptive planning allows for deeper insight into program profitability and performance. Additionally, powerful drag and drop pivot capabilities facilitate different ways of viewing and planning for this information, with the ability to proportionally spread data back across multiple programs if required. Powerful personnel planning capabilities around different workforce segments, including salaried employees, hourly position, or any other required employee pools, and all the critical information needed, such as employee name, position, status, benefit type, union status, start date, end date, pay rate, and the ability to allocate individual employees across multiple programs, departments, or projects if required. Finally, grant planning or other funding sources can be modeled out even over multiple fiscal periods, as well as easily allocating these sources across multiple programs. As a recap, with Workday Adaptive Planning's powerful nonprofit planning capabilities, your organization will be able to gain immediate insight into your critical performance indicators and data. This will enable timely scenario analysis for faster, accurate decisions.